Yung tabo. Sa gilid ka. Ay, si Mia, si Mao sa gilid.
La,
Nasaan ka?
wait lang.
Wala pa.
Kanina pa.
Tapos ka na.
Yun to, sa gilid siya.
Tingin lang ako sa camera eh. Tignan mo, di ako tumitingin kay coach.
Si Miyasi ba yun?
Dire-diretso lang tingin sa camera.
Helping others makes the world a better place. Every child deserves compassion and support. Friendship gives people courage during difficult times. Together we can build a kinder world. Every act of kindness matters. Together we can support children everywhere. Children should also feel comfortable telling their parents about how they feel. Together, we can inspire positive change. Compassion connects people across
Bumagsak ko, di ba?